AI automation agencies specialize in transforming businesses by implementing cutting-edge AI and automation solutions. They analyze your workflows, identify inefficiencies, and recommend tools to optimize processes. From building custom AI models to automating repetitive tasks, they tailor solutions to your specific needs. These agencies seamlessly integrate AI tools into your existing systems, ensuring a smooth transition. With AI-powered data analysis, you gain actionable insights and make better decisions. They can develop chatbots and virtual assistants to enhance customer service and streamline communication. Automation tools handle repetitive tasks like data entry, freeing up your team to focus on innovation. Industries like e-commerce, healthcare, finance, and manufacturing benefit greatly from these solutions. By partnering with an AI automation agency, you save time, cut costs, and improve productivity. Start transforming your business today with AI automation and stay ahead in the digital age.